products in a circular way. We believe that additive manufacturing can be a key technology in achieving this goal.
Circular Sprint is a 7-day event where PhDs and companies are asked to work together to solve some design challenges. The challenges are typically industrial cases and will be solved by combining circular economy with additive manufacturing.
Want to learn more about how you merge circular design and additive manufacturing? Then join us for Circular Sprint. I'm Yannick Christiaans, one of your coaches.
I'm Francesca Stuzzi from University of Ghent, and I'm going to coach you on sustainability.
Hi, I'm Louise Dumont from UGent, and I will guide you throughout the whole sprint process.
I'm Philipp Wallert from Clausthal University of Technology in Germany. I will teach you about 3D printing and also circular approaches. See you at the sprint!
During Circular Print, my colleague Xavier Bergamini and I will be happy to present a 3D printing material overview with a focus on sustainability aspects.
Hi, my name is Thomas Puttonen from the Aalto University Advanced Manufacturing and Materials Group.
And I'm Sergei Chekurov from Aalto.
We provide you virtual access to our 3D printers at the AdLab facilities.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicola Doppio. I am based in Trento, northern Italy, and I work at HIT, which stands for Hub Innovazione Trentino.
My name is Tom Fito. Within the Circular Sprint, Vito will help you to explore and validate the sustainability impacts of design choices from a systems perspective.